Hi everyone, my name is Carolina Muñoz Vargas and today I'm going to pronounce the next text. Okay. Two women are at a bar in the New York. They are friends. One slaps the other on her behind. The other woman doesn't know this. She doesn't know that her friend slaps her. She doesn't see it. She thinks it's the bouncer. She gets angry. She gets up to him. She starts to choke him from behind. The bouncer falls to the ground. Police arrest the woman, but later they let her go. And that is all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.